Welcome to my channel Creative Product Review. Here are the top 5 remote control car. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 1. Remote control car. The 112-116 4WD-RC car is an exciting off-road buggy that delivers strong performance and great durability. With bright LED lights and a stable 2.4 GHz remote system, kids can enjoy smooth, interference-free control. The powerful 4WD system handles rough terrain effortlessly, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. Its tough build and cool design make it a fun and engaging toy that offers hours of entertainment for children. Number 2. Remote control car. The top 16102 RC car delivers exciting performance with its powerful 390 motor and responsive 2.4G remote control. The 4WD system provides strong traction for drifting and off-road adventures, while the bright LED lights add a cool visual effect. Its sturdy design makes it suitable for both kids and adults, offering smooth handling and fast speeds. This RC truck is a great choice for anyone looking for durable, high-speed fun indoors or outdoors. Number 3. Remote control car. The 116 4WD RC car delivers impressive speed up to 70 km/h and exciting drift performance, making it a thrilling toy for kids and hobbyists. With bright LED lights, strong grip tires, and a durable monster truck design, it handles off-road terrain well. Compared to the Wultoys 144,001, it offers competitive power and control at a more budget-friendly price, making it a great value choice for high-speed RC car fun. Number 4. Remote control car. The 4WD-116 high-speed RC car is an exciting off-road racing truck that delivers powerful performance and smooth handling. With options for brushless, up to 80 km/h, and brushed 50 km/h motors, it offers impressive speed and drifting action. The sturdy 4x4 design handles rough terrains easily, while the responsive remote control ensures precise steering. Perfect for both kids and adults, this durable RC truck provides fast-paced fun and thrilling outdoor adventure. Number 5. Remote control car. The SCY 9522 PRO high-speed RC car is an exciting and powerful remote control car designed for serious speed lovers. With its brushless motor and 4WD system, it delivers strong performance, smooth drifting, and excellent off-road control. The 116 scale design feels solid and responsive, while the 85 km/h top speed makes every race thrilling. It's easy to control, durable, and perfect for both kids and adults who enjoy fast RC racing fun. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.